ปที่2นะครับก่อนที่เราจะเข้าไปสรุปบทเรียนเกี่ยวกับ SWOT Analysis นะครับผมมีคลิปนะครับที่อยากจะให้ทุกท่านได้ศึกษาเพิ่มเติมนะครับทุกท่านจะได้มองเห็นประเด็นเหล่านี้จากผู้ที่มีความรู้และประสบการณ์มากขึ้นครับขออนุญาตชมเลยครับ
A lot of things to do, but you're feeling overwhelmed and don't know where to start? Then this video will show you a simple way to prioritize your tasks in the right order so you can be more productive and have time for the things that matters in your life. There are two factors that define what we do, urgent and important. They both have different characters. Urgent means that it requires your attention right now and has immediate consequences. Important is anything that helps us achieve our long-term goals and values. These are the things that will have a big impact on our lives. However, since they do not have a clear deadline and the consequences of not doing them doesn't appear right away, it's easier to tell yourself you'll do it later, but then later becomes never. The first step is to write a list of all the things you need to get done. The next step is to put each task on your list into one of the following categories. This is called an Eisenhower matrix. Stephen Covey also wrote about this process in his book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and this method helps you to quickly identify the activities that you should focus on when you're under time pressure, and it keeps you on track with your long-term goals. The first box is for things that are important and urgent. These are project deadlines, medical emergencies, and problems. The strategy is to do it first and do it now. The second box is about what's important and not urgent, such as your health, relationships, and dreams. It's about preventing and planning for the future. The action step is to schedule it and decide when to do it as soon as possible. The third box has urgent and not important activities. These are interruptions, random phone calls, texts, unimportant emails you get, and they often involve the priorities of other people. The strategy is to reschedule or delegate by asking someone else to do it. The fourth box is not urgent and not important. It's watching TV, checking social media, and other time wasters. Even if they're tempting because they require less effort, decide to do it later or avoid it completely. Let me ask you a question. Do you act or react? In order to act, you need to 100% know what's important, what results you're aiming for. If you don't have that, you will get into a reactive mode where you let the urgent, unimportant things direct your actions and thoughts. Once you know your priorities, organize your life around them. Your actions reflect your priorities. And in order to say yes to them, you have to be willing to say no to something else. We all have 24 hours. You always have time to do what you believe is important. It's about respecting your time, and setting your priorities right is a great way to start. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.